Ayan, simulan ko na partner ang tax pala natin ngayong gabi, yung June 10, Wednesday, nako, bukas na to. Submission ng list of buyers ng sugar together with a copy of certificate of advance payment of VAT made by each buyer appearing in the list by a sugar cooperative for the month of May 2026. Information return of releases of refined sugar by the proprietor or operator of a sugar refinery or mill for the month of May 2026. Siyempre, i-submission din ng monthly e-sales isa sa mga POS taxpayers natin. For all taxpayers using CRM, POS, and or other similar businesses machines whose last digit of 9-digit PIN number is add number for the month of May 2026. June 11. Teka lang, bago pumunta sa June 11. June 10, deadline din po ng mga 1601C, 0619E, 0619F. Ayan, yung compensation po at yung filing at payment din ng expanded din po. Ayan. Eto na. June 11 na. June 11, 2026, Thursday, e-filing naman ng BIR Form 1601C, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina din. At 0619E, 0619F para sa mga EFPS filers under Group E for the month of May 2026. Ayan, yan po ang tax paalala.